Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, so children, today in our class, I am going to show you different type of action word. So ready for action word? Okay, sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Eat. Drink. Stop. Jump. Stop. Run. Stop. Fly. Stop. Clap. Stop. Go. Stop. Come. Stop. Skip. Stop. Sit down. Bath. Stop. Read. Writing. Swap. Stop. Stand up. Cry. Stop. Laugh. Stop. Throw. Stop. Catch. Clap. Stop. Bend. Stop. Push. Stop. Pull. Stop. Read. Stop. Writing. Jump. Stop. Singing. Stop. Dancing. Stop. Sleep. Awake. Stop. Sit down. Stand up. Clap.